Welcome to CSS, brought to you by Creative Online School. My name is Keith Hearn, and I will be your instructor for this entire class. I have been doing web development for over 20 years now, and I've trained hundreds of students in both classrooms and online. In this class, we're going to be learning all about CSS, or Cascading Style Sheets. I prefer CSS just because it's a little bit shorter. What you're going to need for this class is a basic understanding of HTML. If you are not familiar with HTML at this point, I suggest you go over to Creative Online School and check out some of the videos there on HTML. I did a class on there, and there are several other really good ones as well, so go ahead and check those out. If you have a basic understanding of HTML, that's about all you're going to need. That, along with your favorite HTML editing program, where we will be exploring CSS and building a small website using it. So go ahead and sit back and let's learn a little bit about CSS.